Alright everybody, what's up and welcome back to the channel. It's Benny here. Hope you guys are having a good day because I know I am. But anyways, what we got going on today, I am rebuilding my three-piece wheels. I'm putting them back together. I got my hardware finally. So I'm putting them back together, and then I'm gonna paint the outer barrel black, and then I'm gonna clean up the faces, not the faces, the outer barrel. I'm gonna clean it up. But I do gotta clean up the outer barrel first before I paint him. Here, as you can see, this shit is pretty nasty. So I'm gonna clean that up so the paint could stick on there pretty good. No problems. Alright, well, let's get right into it. Waste no time. And just like that, they are painted. So this isn't like a professional paint job. I just painted. I wanted really the outer barrel to be black instead of the ugly, as you guys saw how it was. So I got that. Oh shit, it's not good. But that's the inside. See, I'm not worried too much about the inside, but because the tire is gonna be around it, obviously. I was more concerned about the inside, the inner. But here's it on with the barrel. So let's go ahead and put the face on. Like a glove. Whew. Hold on. Let me just. Is fucking the Mona Lisa. This is the Mona Lisa of wheels. This is the Mona Lisa of fucking wheels right here. You guys ready?
She trying to pull work on my half like Tony Hawk. Money flow shit, my bank account, man, it don't stop. Trying to jug a piss, got stops, when shit caught.
Yo, officer, I'm sorry, you know, I stopped.
Sipping on the haterade, sipping on the haterade. Trying to get the money so I can make it substitute. Snapping all these bars by mumble when addicted to them. Boosting with your mommy, that's the reason why she listen.
Look at that. Fucking look at that. Alright, so we got that in. So now let's go ahead and put the hardware on and let's see how it looks after that.
Got a fresh chain, silver piece, let it dangle. Dibble dabble, little pad, I'm floating on the link. My mama always told me, yeah, you better eat your beans. I'm really about my scary movies, cause I let my freaks. Yeah, my rock there like a mountain, then you're barely on the beat. Yeah, gang, gang, let my chain swing, trim my shoe gang. Soggy like a wonton, bitch, with your gold on. Peter Pan, rap the stands, girl, you got a man. Peter Pan, Peter Zans, I don't fuck with.
Alright, so look at that. Look at that. Woo! Woo! Damn. Mm-hmm. Okay. So now we are gonna tighten up the bolts, or whatever you want to call it. We're gonna tighten them up, and then we're gonna go test fit the wheel on the car. But I just want to point out that this wheel This face, the first time I got it, I went to go test, like, to put it on here. It was just the face. Went to go put it on, and then I went back inside, and as I was taking it back inside, I hit it against the door. So there is a nick somewhere around here. Where is you? Where is you? Where the fuck are you now? You're hiding. Where the fuck? Oh, there it is. And I had just gotten it. It was like probably like the week that I had gotten it. Look at that. That sucks. But it's okay. You could barely see it. If you'll really have to get in there and see it. But I know that now that I mentioned it, everybody's gonna point it out. So I guess there's that. But look at that. Look at that, dude. Look at that, boys. Fuck, man. Alright, so let's go ahead and tighten these bad boys up, and then let's go to the car and test fit it on. Look at this. Look at this. Holy fuck, dude. I can't wait to see them, like, when they're set up in there with tires and everything. Bro. This shit's gonna come out looking La Flame. Fuck, man. I can't wait. I am gonna need new brakes. Like, better brakes at least. I don't want this rusty ass shit back here. Same with the calipers. I thought about doing a big brake kit, but for the meantime, I guess, you know, gotta take it one step at a time, one step at a time. So, fuck though, man, I can't wait. Can't wait. Alright, you guys, well, I finished up with the S1000, test fitting the wheels. I got 3 more to do. She's back under the sheets, cause yeah. But I got 3 more to do, so I gotta get those done. I'm gonna get them done like throughout the week. I'm not gonna do them all just in a day. No, I'll do them throughout the week, because it is very time consuming. It's not hard, but it's time consuming. And other than that, I mean, thank you guys for watching. If you like what you saw, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and like the video, as well as don't forget to go down to our online shop. Go to our online shop and type in Meister for your first purchase at checkout, as well as I have links down below to any products that you've seen in the video or in past videos, or anybody that I support, their Amazon links. Go ahead and click them and buy what you need. But anyways, other than that, thank you guys for watching. Peace out. See you in the next one.